Hey, what's up, guys? So, today I'm going to be reviewing the Bose SoundTouch speaker system. Now, let me show you the system. So, here's it. As you can see, this is the system here right in front of me, and it's really great. I've tested this out a couple of times and it works absolutely well. First, let me show you about the specs. Firstly, the speaker is kind of small in size and it's also portable. On the front here we have the screen and we have this kind of Wi-Fi to music indicator. On the top we have a power button, a Morse button, that is a Bluetooth to aux, and we have a couple of number buttons which that is we can change the number of the song if we attach a pen drive. Over here we have volume rockers. Now jumping onto the back, we can see that we have a subwoofer outlet. This is where the air passes through. Let me show you down here, it's really interesting. First over here we have this AC power adapter. We have a Ethernet port. I think so you can connect internet directly into this. This speaker system is really great and it has its own OS sort of, and I guess you can update the system or play music directly from the web, which is a really great feature. And here we have a micro USB setup. I guess it sort of has a connection to our phone, and here we can plug in a USB port, and this is our auxiliary input. The bottom we have nothing, and sides. So overall this speaker system is really great and it's really heavy. Now this speaker, it does not run on Bluetooth, but you can this speaker does not run on battery, but it can run on Bluetooth and it has aux, and it can also run radio, which is a really good thing. Okay, now further into this video I will be performing a few sound tests with Bluetooth and with auxiliary input both, so stay tuned for that.
Now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. I never learned. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick him out. Making myself crazy, out of my mind.